everyone, welcome to this video. So today we'll have a live session on the gold chart on the Asia session. We'll trade the 10 seconds time frame using the fractal geometry strategy. Of course, the strategy works on any session, the Asia, the London, the New York. So for the moment we are looking for a fractal and there is a high probability of an advanced fractal. So what we'll do, we'll execute a long position based on this fractal with the 4 risk to reward ratio. So we took the fractal and we'll scale it in 2 directions. And now what we can anticipate a strong push to the upside. Of course, we'll not use this fractal on the short position. It can work, but it's still a high risk trade, so we'll avoid it. And this is one of the good things, that you know which setup is a high probability setup, so you can avoid the low probability ones. So this will be our trade. Let's follow it together. See you later. Of course, we should note that one of the most important things in trading, that you stick to your plan, you trust your process. So when you see that the price is going against you, you will not lose hope on the trade. You will just keep your stop loss, you keep your take profit on their initial places, and you don't have to move them. As you can see right here, we hit the take profit. Now let's move to the next trade right here. We'll take a short position as a continuation trade. The take profit will be the low of the curve, and we'll use a Y model for this trade. We take the Y model from the equilibrium area and we'll scale it, the high with the high, the low with the low. Of course, right here we waited for another confirmation using a TCW model, as you can see it there. And this will be the second trade on the Asia session. See you later. Alright folks, so this was a perfect execution, 0 drawdown. So let's move to the next trade. Right here we have used the fractal level indicator to understand this area, and we have an L into direction model, so we scale it to the downside and to the upside, and of course it's a reversal model, so we'll use it to take a short position. So we'll execute a short position from this level with the target the end of the fractal, and our stop loss always on gold, especially on the 10 seconds time frame, is just 10 pips, 20 pips. We'll go back later. Thank you. Another time we can see that it's important always to stick to the plan. So right here we can see that the price start going against our direction, and this is normal because we have an infinity of probabilities that the price can go to the upside when we are on a short position. So right here the price goes back to our entry point, but this is not an issue. We'll always stick to the plan. Of course, we'll not use this fractal, the N into direction in this case, to take the long position as a continuation model, because we don't have all the conditions for the continuation. And this is our second trade. Thank you so much. Have a great day.